Welcome to TriRide Solutions, Human Resources End-to-End Activities. Whether you are an MBA student preparing for your first HR role or a professional looking to understand the practical side of HR, this program is designed to give you exactly what you need, not just theory, but hands-on experience with real HR processes and documents. In every organization, human resources plays a vital role. HR ensures the right people are hired, employees are taken care of, performance is managed, and when the time comes, people exit smoothly. From drafting policies to issuing offer letters, from onboarding a new hire to processing payroll, from handling performance reviews to writing relieving letters, HR is involved at every stage of the employee life cycle. But here's the challenge: most students and even some professionals know the concepts of HR, but not the practical application. That's where this course comes in. This course takes you through the complete HR life cycle, step by step. We will cover HR foundations or policy making. You'll learn how organizations create policies like leave, attendance, and code of conduct. We'll also cover professional communication through email and phone etiquette. Talent acquisition. We'll go from job analysis and job descriptions to creating job postings, screening CVs, conducting interviews, and even negotiating offers. Hiring or compliance. You'll understand important HR documents like the letter of intent, offer letter, NDA, MOU, and employee declaration forms. Employee integration. We'll explore onboarding, orientation, and workplace etiquette to help new hires settle in. Performance or rewards. We'll look at performance appraisal systems, creating CRAS and KPIs, drafting warning and appreciation letters, preparing payrolls and payslips, and even planning training and employee engagement activities. Exit or separation. We'll cover the complete offboarding process, including exit checklists, relieving and experience letters, exit interviews, and grievance handling. And beyond this, you'll also get exposure to HR analytics and HR technology tools, which are now must-have skills in modern HR. How you will learn. Each topic in this course is structured in a simple, practical format. First, we'll explain the concept in clear, easy-to-understand terms. Next, we'll walk through a demo activity to show how it works in practice. Then, we'll review a sample document or template so you can see how it looks in the real world. Finally, you'll complete an assignment where you draft your own HR document or solve an HR scenario. What you will gain. By the end of this course, you will understand HR not just as a subject, but as a practical function in organizations. Build a collection of HR templates and documents, policies, job descriptions, offer letters, payslips, appraisal forms, relieving letters, and many more. Gain the confidence to handle HR processes from start to finish. Be better prepared for HR internships, interviews, and full-time roles. Learn, practice and apply. At TriRide, we help you to be HR ready.